Welcome back to our YouTube channel AxelBuzz Testing, where you will learn in easy simple way. Today we are going to see few things which you should do and you should avoid while doing the automation. So let's get started. What is test automation? Test automation is a practice of running tests automatically, managing the test data and utilizing the results to improve the software quality. It's primarily the quality assurance measure, but its activities involves the commitment of the entire software product team, from the business analysts to developers and DevOps engineers. Getting the most out of the test automation takes the inclusion of everyone. We got to know what is automation, but why we should automate. Let's see this. The initial cost of starting out with the automation testing is not too much high. But once your organization is truly up and running with the ideas of the test automation, you should want to invest in better tools, better servers, and higher resources to maintain the infrastructure, etc. These costs are definitely not insignificant, but investing in good resources will reduce your cost of failure, save time. While the initial setup of automated testing takes a lot of time and efforts, but once you have automated your test, you can reuse these tests. Automated tests can be executed significantly faster than manual tests and are less error prone and less labor intensive. Foundation of CI and DevOps. Automation test forms the basis of any continuous integration or DevOps setup. Essentially, both CI and DevOps depends on philosophy of fail fast, fail early. Every commit to the code base is to be tested automatically and the result reported back to the developers. The developers prioritize fixing any of the tests that have broken, and build ensures that mainline code is always working as expected. Accuracy and reliability. Manual testing is prone to error because of number of prerequisites involved in running each test case. Additionally, each test may require different execution sequence. Manual testers are human after all, so mistakes are to be expected. This may result in inaccurate results being propagated to the development team. Automated tests carried out same steps every time, with every precision. The results are generally made available to everyone and concern in the least possible amount of time. Yet another aspect of reliability is to re-execute the same test in different servers. This gives the ability of quickly verify whether the tests are running as expected as all the servers verify, ruling out the possibility of server configuration issues. Load testing. Automation testing is capable of running thousands of tests simultaneously, simulating millions of users, all which is next to impossible with manual testing. So for your load testing, we should always go for automation testing. So now let's see the do's while doing the automation. First of all, prioritize the test before automation. List down your test cases, prioritize accordingly, and then start automating accordingly. Always look out to your maintenance of your test automation. Maintenance in terms of cost, maintenance in terms of employees, maintenance of time, etc. Avoid complex test cases first. Prioritize your test cases and always avoid complex test cases first. Start from the simplest one and smaller one. If your test case is bigger, then divide them into chunks and starts from the smallest chunks. Prioritize your devices and browsers as well. Mention it clearly in your report which browsers and which devices you are running the test automations on. Always reuse the components. There are so many libraries or so many solutions available for small automation cases. So you first of all, while doing the automation, first of all you search what is available in the market or what is available inside your organization. Reuse these components and don't rewrite again everything. Share reports to your stakeholders. Automate only stable applications. Unstable application may raise the bug and it may fail your test automation. So always prefer to automate only stable application. Your automation should start once your manual testing is over. Always maintain the framework. Use of POM, page object model. Use of locators, track of those locators, because sometimes what happen, it may change your locators. So you should have the track of your old locators and new locators, everything. So that will be your maintenance of your framework. With the do's, you have to follow some don'ts as well. So let's see what you should avoid while doing the test automation. Don't automate which is less important. Discuss the automation strategy. You should always discuss the automation strategies with your stakeholders, with the people around you, with your managers, etc. Because these people may give you solutions, these people may give you the references, so you should not go without discussing the strategy. Don't automate the test cases which runs only once. You should always go for manual testing if those test cases are running only once in your full applications. So that will save your time, energy, your resources, and try to automate only repetitive tasks. Don't automate flaky test cases which are broken, or you may feel this test cases will break while testing. Don't automate such part. What you can do is you try to figure out those test cases, you list down those test cases and try to do it manually, or run separate job for that, and avoid these mistakes. It will hamper your test reports. 100% automation is myth. Your senior will tell you try to do 100% automation. Clear them. 100% automation is not possible. You list down the application part which are to be tested and which are not to be tested in automation testing. You tell them this application or this feature cannot be automated and this 100% automation cannot be achieved. So this you should be clear. These all things you should avoid while doing the automation. So this is it for today. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Happy testing. Bye bye.